Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Margarita Crypto. I've been a little bit kind of sick, cold, flu, I'm not sure. So I can a little bit sound stuffy, just in case, so you would know. But yeah, in today's, as you know, the month of March and April, I'm doing videos as a tutorials for different kind of exchange platforms, cryptocurrency platforms for buy, sell, and so on. So as we are now in the month of April, so you can go back to previous month of March just to see different platforms or platforms. The platforms what I will be talking about. It's more or less the platforms what I'm using or I've used in some part, and it was pros and cons, for example, you know. So yeah, so it's kind of um tips kind of thing, you know, let's call it this way. So yeah, so what can I say about Cryptopay? I actually came across that few years back before COVID and all of this, so long time ago. So the things what I really enjoyed about them was the let's call it prepaid card. So they offer a card for you. They don't really have that many access of cryptocurrencies, but I didn't really find issue for that. So I'm using CryptoPay, let's say, to receive some cryptocurrencies, so like Ripple or Tether, something regarding that, right? But I believe that if I'm not mistaken, CryptoPay it's actually is registered in Estonia, Tallinn specifically. I believe that in production of it, it's UK based, but you know, you can have something based in one country, but you can have license or registration like in different countries. What is actually kind of a little bit normal with cryptocurrency regarding that. Many companies that are based in other countries in Europe, let's say, but they are registered in Estonia because Estonia is more crypto friendly regarding registrations and what else? Oh, regulations. So yeah, so we're gonna kind of go in. So they kind of did upgrade. So you know, like in Instagrams or Facebook or whatever, you can see the stories. So they did something similar to it, but the stories never change, you know. It's like something similar, but we're gonna go ahead and register. It's actually you can use on web, you can use on your mobile app. It's you can download in Apple Store or Google Play or whatsoever. So they kind of give you like you can do many things like buy and sell. You can store in wallet and exchange. You know, then there's card. You can get plastic and virtual. So virtual card is free. It's accepted everywhere, and as well you can earn in cryptocurrency. I don't know why it's so hard. I think it's because you know, it's like I feel like my nose is stuffed, but I can breathe. So it's kind of yeah. So let's kind of go ahead and just check it out, like what's happening with them, so you can see like some let's say more explanations. So what is there, like what can you do, what you can buy, you can deposit and exchange and withdraw. So they give you like kind of aspect what they are in website, you know, so you can shop on live. God, you can shop online, you can pay everywhere. And so they kind of give you like a structure regarding it. So yeah, so there is as well a referral program. What we are doing now, you can learn about the team, so you can always go and just check, like, you know, more, read about what it is, you know, like support business cards, and all those kind of things. So let's just go. I'm gonna add all the links down below, so you would have referral if you feel like it to join, because you get like 25% off. But let me just kind of as well, like learn. You can have like learning progress of it. So they kind of explain you how you can learn and read and all of that things. But just let me pause for a second. I'm back. I was kind of going ahead for the invitation. So it says that you receive a discount. That it's me. I'm inviting you to try Cryptopay. So refer blah blah blah. We would like to give you a 25% discount when you purchase a Cryptopay card, so you can order that card as well. So let's just register it. I prepare additional email, as you know, like tutorial email. So let's create an account. So the invitation, like referral for 25% discount when you purchase a Cryptopay card, I will provide that down below. So yeah, so let's create, I guess, a password now. We're gonna do like very simplest password regarding it. So it's very hard to think about the passwords. So I've received the code 5682. And I believe I will be in. So you have to, when you register, so you have to give your information, right? So choose country where you reside. So it will be country of residence and country of citizenship. So for example, you can be German living in and have like residency, let's say in Belgium, or you can be citizenship of, let's say, Lithuania, and you can be resident in UK or States or Israel or Cyprus or I don't know, Australia. So you have to provide correct information. So if you're gonna make a mistake, you won't be able to receive a card, and the verification process will be much, much longer. So choose country where you reside correctly and your citizenship. So you might have a couple citizenship. So I don't have to put country of, okay. So I'm gonna put United Kingdom. If it's, I don't know, it's very, very slow process for some reason. I think my computer is having like panic attack because of everything is going so slow. So residence of UK, citizenship as well UK. I don't know why it takes so long. I think you need to take a step. So press continue. I guess they're gonna ask to like awaiting verification. So you will have to verify. So you have like some issues, as you see, as of February 23, new card orders are temporarily unavailable for residents of the EU. We're already working to find a solution to this problem. So if you're in Europe, you will probably have temporary issue by receiving a card, but if you live in UK, you won't have any problem by getting a card, because when I ordered my card, it came to UK and I had no problem. I think like I used online few times, and that's all. But like, so you can probably get like virtual card. So this is what it is. Like, it will change as soon as you do verification. You can buy it. So the minimal is, let's say, £10 or €10. So you can see the assets, but like we don't have any assets at this moment, right? I mean, you can scroll. It's just for some reason it's very slow. So you can see what coins do they have. They don't have that many coins, So if you feel like holding some of these coins, that would be one of the options for you. As well, there is program earn. So we know what is that. You can actually calculate here what is kind of good thing. So for example, if you have Bitcoin, your annual per year income will like go 2% up. So let's say I have 16 Bitcoins, right? So in 2 years, you will earn up to 16.65, blah, 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 or 40 for 128,000. So it depends like how much you have. Like you can put even one, right? So it shows you how much. So you can calculate. They calculate for you. So you can always change, let's say, to different cryptocurrency. So you have Ethereum. You can choose I don't know why it doesn't really go down. Okay, so let's check with Cardano, right? They give you 5.8%. So let's say I have 100 of them. So in 2 years, you will earn up to 112 or €40. It depends, right? So as well, the cards option is available in UK and Euro. You can use ATM, enjoy high spending limits, so you can load. So you can choose Euro, for example, or you can choose pound. I mean, it's what you feel like it. And they show you like what it is. Like if you want to order actual physical card, the price is €15, but at this moment it's €5. Monthly service fee is €1. Loading fee it's 1%. So you have like standard delivery, it's free, and they don't offer cashbacks. And I'm now in process of finding cashbacks. I know some there are, like Crypto.com, Binance, and some others as well, like CL cards. If you remember, I made a video about Ledger who making a card. So I received a card. It was like previous video few weeks back. So yeah, and like you're gonna see if you're gonna use, for example, virtual card, it's free. I don't know why they write that it's 250, because when I was getting my card, so I think I paid like €5. It wasn't €15. So yeah, if you don't have any money, they're not gonna take that from you if you don't use the card. But you can order like virtual card, what is free. But I believe like before doing it, you have to do verification and all that process. What it's not really needed for us. So yeah, so that's kind of one of the things. You can deposit, you can buy with a card. You can add cash, so it's euro or British pound, faster payments. So yeah, we give you like kind of calculator profits, I mean, they're kind of good. I believe they're still growing. They're not that popular. what I'm aware of situation, that it's not that many people know them. Maybe like some groups, let's say in UK, as for example. So yeah, but I mean, like they don't really have that many coins, and it looks really kind of, it looks like Instagram if you think about it. Don't you think that, like, all the sides, like, it looks a little bit like it? But as well, you have like verification process, you can buy it. So yeah, this is what I really wanted to talk about crypto pay. And when you do verification, it looks a little bit differently. So let me go back to my account to show how it looks. I have no money there, so it's pretty much, it's very, very narrow and progressive of that. But when I was recording a course, so I was a little bit using it just to show the progress of it, what was happening. In my actual account, I haven't been using it either. So slowly, steady back forward, I'm going back to Cryptopay just to see like small progression what they are making. I really hope Cryptopay will add cashback in some kind of currencies. Maybe they can make collaboration or create them own token or like asset or whatsoever. And yeah, I guess that's information for me. And if you have any request of making video, you can for sure text me. And or you want to know more, I still have actually, like, month of May, it's already closed with your guys' suggestions, what you would like to see. So I guess June month will be coming up, and then probably July will take some time off because of summer. Let's see how it will go. But yeah, so it's new coming videos and tutorials and additional things. Just answering, like, you can try Cryptopay to see how you feel with that, and if you register and you make a verification like via my referral, so you get 25% off on your card. So what is good thing? So that's one of the options for you. And I think that is kind of discount, to be honest, because I registered now via that referral. So I guess this is why it shows like discounts. I'm not sure like if you will have it, if you wouldn't. If you just register, probably they wouldn't offer that. I guess that's what discount we saw. So yeah, that's kind of the video what I wanted to make. And I'll see you very, very soon with other videos and other tutorials. And yeah, bye everyone. And stay healthy. Don't be sick like I am now.